Hi, and thanks for joining us for part 2 of building the kids' play loft. Stick around and you may learn some tips or tricks. And if you have any ideas you would like to share or recommend, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks. Also, in a future episode of this build, I will go over the total cost of our project. Enjoy! I wanted my joists at 12 inches on center, so I marked my first joist location 11 1/4 inches from the first joist. Then I used a scrap of MDF 12 inches long to quickly mark the remaining locations. I used my combination square set at 1/2 inch to mark the height where my joist hangers should go, and I just eyeballed the hangers for center. So this is the first time I've used a palm nailer, but I can tell you this, they are sweet. And it came in very handy for putting in the nails while reaching over the closet. I think that would have been difficult with a hammer. Not to mention, they're quite efficient and fun. I marked the posts so that I could hog out some material where there is some trim and molding in the bedroom. I set the saw to my desired depth and got to work. Next up is building the header. I ripped some 1/2 inch OSB to go between the 2x6s. This is not so much for strength as it is just for getting the thickness dimension of the header to match the post that it will be sitting on top of. I quickly stapled on the OSB boards first so they would stay right where I want them before trying to put on the last layer. And then using 16 penny nails, I went to town with the framing nailer. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 3 where we will be adding the subfloor, carpet padding, and the carpet. Until next time.